The Kijun Sen Envelope indicator is a simple MT4 indicator that tells about the trend's direction. The indicator is based on the Ichimoku cloud and has the same functionality as the indicator. The indicator comprises 3 signal lines, which we call a band. They are the upper band, lower band, and middle band. The upper and lower band envelops the middle band. We have the name Kijun Sen Envelope. The trend detector is the middle band. Whenever the price bounces above or below the middle band, it indicates a trend change. The middle band is what we call Kijun Sen. The good thing about the Kijun Sen Envelope indicator is that it pinpoints the price levels on each band. The above Euro to US dollar H4 chart shows buy and sell signals with the indicator. To determine the buy and sell signals, traders must look at the middle band. When the price goes above the middle band, it indicates a stronger downtrend. Here traders need to take positions. On the other side, when the price goes below the middle band, it presents us with a good buying opportunity. Traders often confuse the upper and lower band when trading with the indicator. As mentioned earlier, the upper and lower bands act like clouds, enveloping the middle band. The Kijun Sen, or baseline, is an indicator and important component of the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo method of technical analysis, which is also known as the Ichimoku cloud. The Kijun Sen is the midpoint price of the last 26 periods, and therefore an indicator of short to medium-term price momentum. The indicator aids in assessing the trend, and can also be useful for identifying trading opportunities when combined with the other components of the Ichimoku cloud. Key takeaways. The formula for the Kijun Sen, baseline, is \begin aligned, and \text Kijun Sen, baseline equals \frac12, \left \text 26 period high plus \text 26 period low, \right, \end aligned, Kijun Sen, baseline equals 21, 26 period high plus 26 period low. How to calculate the Kijun Sen, baseline? What does the Kijun Sen, baseline, tell you? On its own, Kijun Sen shows the midpoint price for the last 26 periods. Similar to a moving average, when the price is above the baseline it indicates the price is above the midpoint and therefore short-term price momentum is up. This is further confirmed if the Kijun Sen line is angled upwards. When the price is below the baseline, and especially if Kijun Sen is angled downwards, that indicates price momentum is to the downside as the price is below the 26 period midpoint. While 26 periods is typically used for this calculation, this can be altered to suit individual preference. A smaller number of periods, such as 15, will track the price more closely. A larger number of periods, such as 45, will not track the price as closely. The Kijun Sen is nearly always used alongside the Tenkan Sen, conversion line, to help gauge direction changes in price and to generate trade signals. Tenkan Sen is the 9-period price midpoint. Since it is a short-term indicator, it tracks price more closely and responds quicker to price changes. Therefore, when Tenkan Sen crosses above Kijun Sen, it indicates that price momentum is picking up steam to the upside. Some traders use this as a buy signal. This is a bullish crossover. When gauging the trend or using crossovers, the information provided should be used within the context of the entire Ichimoku cloud indicator. For example, if the price is above the cloud, a bearish crossover may still be used to sell a long position, but it likely wouldn't be used to enter a short position. The difference between Kijun Sen, baseline, and a simple moving average, SMA. The Kijun Sen is a midpoint of the high and low price over the last 26 periods. This is not an average. A simple moving average is an average price over a set number of periods, calculated by adding up the closing prices of those periods and then dividing the total by the number of periods. A 26-period baseline and a 26-period SMA will produce different values and thus provide different information to the trader. The limitations of using Kijun Sen, baseline unless there's a lot of recent price movement, enough to pull the price away from the 26-period midpoint. The Kijun Sen will often trade near and intersect with the price. At times like these, it is not an ideal tool for helping with trend direction. If the price is crossing the baseline repeatedly, the other Ichimoku indicators are needed to provide clarity on the larger or longer-term trend direction. While some crossover signals with the Tenkan Sen will result in large and profitable price moves, others may not. The price may fail to move as expected or the indicator may cross back the other way, generating a false signal. While the Kijun Sen does provide some information on its own, it is best used in conjunction with the other Ichimoku indicators. In addition, traders are also encouraged to use price action analysis, other technical tools, and fundamental analysis.